Hello friends, today I'm going to talk about the fourth stock in the series of best chemical stocks of 2020-21. This company was established in 1970. It's a global player and leader in technical textiles, exporting to 75 countries, 13 manufacturing plants across 3 countries, filed more than 170 process patents, listed in Forbes 200 best under a billion companies in 2011, winner of the prestigious Deming Prize, a gold standard in total quality, and proud legacy of 100 plus years of old Sriram Group, the promoters of Lady Sriram College. Key business verticals, technical textile, and within that there are tie cord fabrics, belting fabrics, coated fabrics, laminated fabrics, industrial yarns, polyester, industrial yarn, fluorochemicals, specialty chemicals, packaging films, used in various industries like tire, conveyor belt, architecture, lifestyle, sports, advertising, defense, mines, and so on. An overview of the stock as on 7th May 2020. Price is 3,655. Market cap is over 21,000 crore. Book value is 794. P is 20.52. ROC is 14.12. ROE 16.67. Promoter holding is 52.32. Debt equity 0.65. Dividend yield is 0.38. 52-week high is 4260 and 52-week low is 2333. The profit and loss trend since 2008, this company top line is consistently growing and bottom line is also consistently growing. That means the sales and PAT both are consistently growing. As you can see, top line grown from 1684 crore to 7600 crore plus, and PAT also grown from 135 crore to over 1000 crore. So pretty much consistent growth over 10-12 years. The quarterly result for last 8 or 10 quarters is also in a consistent path. The sales grown from over 1300 crore to over 1800 crore, and PAT grown from 129 crore to 343 crore. Operating margin more or less steady. It hasn't expanded that much, but it's more or less in the region of 18 to 20. If we look at the balance sheet is quite healthy. Reserve have grown from 459 crore to 4,500 crore. Fixed asset grown from 1,166 crore to 5,900 crore. And other asset grown from 626 crore to 3,277 crore. So it's a good balance sheet, a healthy balance sheet, though borrowing a bit high. And debt equity is slightly higher than other companies, but still it's a good and healthy balance sheet. If you look at the cash flow is steadily growing from 2008 till 2019, from 233 crore to 896 crore. If you look at the cash from operating activity, so it's a steady growth path, the healthy cash flow. Compounded sales growth for 10 years is over 14%. Compounded profit growth for 10 years is over 12%. Shareholding pattern, promoter is 52.32. You have FIA and DIA holding as well. FIA holding is good, 14.43%, and DIA is 11.53%. Like quite a few market investors are there, like Amansa, Kotak, DSP, Reliance Capital, and all. So it is, the different set of FIIs and DIIs are holding this company for quite some time, and the company is SRF Limited. If you look at the long-term price trend, it is trending up for last 7-8 years, and this trend is still continuing. Investment rationale is a flagship company of the Shriram Group of companies. It has diversified business in technical textiles, fluorochemicals, specialty chemicals, and packaging films, strong operational efficiency and R&D capabilities, market leadership in business verticals, and diversified revenue streams. It is the sole producer of some key refrigerants in India, largest nylon tire cord fabric manufacturer in India, consistent growth in sales and PAT since 2008, superior balance sheet. The ideal buy range will be around 2,600 to 2,700 with a target of over 4,000. That's all about this company. Thank you.